Okay, we're going to start out the first lesson. I'm just going to show you where to go online here. I'm going to type in at the top, or in the search bar you can type in musictheorynet. And there we are. You can kind of peruse this a little bit. This talks about these are apps. Both of these are apps you can get for your phone if you would like to do that, but we're going to start here on lessons. You'll just start off with the basics. We're going to learn about the staff, clefs, and ledger lines. So you click here, and then as you're going, you'll read this where it's yellow, and then you come down here to the arrow, and it'll advance it, and it also has some animations up here that'll show you, and it'll help you explain it. Now, a lot of you probably already know this, but in case you don't, this is the very basics of music. You can go over this as many times as you need and take as long as you need. Just keep clicking. When you're done with that, we can go back, and now we can learn about note duration, and the same thing applies. You click on the arrow to advance it, go back, learn about measures and time signatures and all of these. So that'll get you going on this first phase, get you ready for the first assessment.